According to Kelly's cross-pollinator trait from the 10 Phases of Innovation, I know I relate most to the cross-pollinator trait, which uses evidence-based theories to form new practices, and they typically have an aptitude for learning and teaching. Some other strengths that I know I possess, I tend to keep an open mind. I'm very structured and organized. I take great initiative. I also do a lot of forward planning. I'm on time, and I'd like to think that I'm a pretty good team player. Uh, a weakness, a big weakness of mine is I do not delegate well, and I do want to try and fix that. Another weakness is I don't typically do well with improvisation on the fly. I tend to stress out when things aren't planned structurally and when they follow up with time constraints. My plan for development and improvement is I'd like to attempt to delegate more by issuing out lesser tasks, eventually working my way up to tasks with more importance. I also plan to experiment with improvisation and time management. I plan to accomplish this by adding random errands that I am unfamiliar with to my daily activities. My hope is to be able to complete all tasks with little occurrence, less perceived stress, and completion within time allowance. To kind of help out with my weakness of not trying new things without rationale, I plan to do some experimentation with activities I normally would not do, such as starting off with things that I don't find too invasive as playing a new video game or trying a new recipe.